In this video, we're going to have a look at impact assessments and how you can add these as part of your business process. We are currently looking at a change request for implementing some new software. On the process tracker, we can see that we have a pending assessment. But before we do this, the change must be validated. Once the validation has taken place, the workflow automatically takes us to the impact assessment. Here, we can start our assessment, which will present us with a number of questions. As we respond to each question, our selected answers will contribute to the automatic impact level, which we see increasing as we progress through the assessment. After saving the impact assessment, we can see that the process tracker has moved on, showing us that this has been completed. The impact level is now recorded against the change, and we can see that in the timeline of the request, the results of the assessment have been captured. Now, at any point, the assessment can be reviewed, and in the case where one of the original questions were answered incorrectly, you are able to reassess the impact level. We now switch over to Hornbill administration, where the assessments can be managed. On the Impacted Levels tab, you're able to add, remove, or rename the impact levels to suit your needs. Under Assessments, we can create or manage the available assessments. Here's the change impact assessment that we just went through, along with the 3 questions. By selecting one of the questions, we can look at the available answers and see that each answer can have a weight or a value set against it. Under Thresholds, the total weight of all the answers are calculated to apply the impact level based on its upper and lower limits. To help with building this table, click on the Auto Set option to equally distribute the upper and lower limits between the available impact levels. We now switch to our business process workflow, which was used on the change. I select the planning stage where we see the impact assessment node. The placement of this node in your workflow will determine when this is presented to the user. Looking at the properties of this node, you're able to select from a list of available assessments that you'd like to use. Finally, to ensure that the assessment has been done, the next node will prevent the workflow from continuing until the assessment is complete.